So one of the more defining characteristics of Android is the fact that you can put widgets on your home screen. Now, there are widgets on iOS, however, they're confined to only one part of your home screen, and they're not nearly as powerful as widgets on Android. Now, there are two very big apps that enable the creation of these types of widgets. First is Zooper, and the second is KWGT. Unfortunately, Zooper hasn't seen much development as of late, and KWGT seems to be the direction most designers are pushing. You see, there are designers who will specifically make widgets and sell them or give them out for free inside these widget pack apps. There are some really impressive widgets that are available through these widget packs I'd like to share with you. Now, do note that for any of these widget packs, you're going to need something called KWGT Pro, which is the pro version or the paid version of KWGT. It's not that much, but it does cost a few bucks. In this video, I've gathered a collection of 5 widget packs, 2 free and 3 paid, that I'd like to share with you. In addition, I've got 10 promo codes for each of the 3 premium widget packs or the paid widget packs that I'll be giving away. So make sure that you stick around to the end of the video. First up is Huck and Unity, which are 2 free widget packs. Now, across both of them, you have over, I think, 200 widgets, all for free, and they mostly cover things like calendar widgets, clock widgets, things like that. Here's just a few of the setups that you can create with these 2. Now, on to our paid widgets. First up is Matomet, which I might be mispronouncing, so sorry about that. It mainly focuses on widgets that look material design. Material design, if you don't know, is a design language written by Google that is supposed to make UI design much more concise and understandable, and also to look nice too. Here's a couple setups that I've made with Matomet. Then we've got goo.io, which is kind of a cute name, but it's very similar to Matomet in that it follows material design. Not perfectly, but you know, it has that kind of element to it. And then here's some setups I made with goo.io. Finally, we've got Trident 3, which, as the name might imply, is the 3rd in this widget pack lineup. The designer has put a ton of effort into these widgets, and they're of very high quality. Out of all of these widget packs, honestly, Trident 3 is my favorite. Here's a setup that I made with Trident 3. Alright, so let's talk about that giveaway. First, do note that Huck and Unity are completely free and you can go download them right now. However, Matomet, goo.io, and Trident 3 are all paid. So if you want to win one of those promo codes, all you gotta do is go to the link in the description and it will tell you everything you need to do. Best of luck, and I'll announce the winners in 1 week's time. Well, that's it. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like tech videos, hit that subscribe button. Thanks. I'll see you guys later.